Hey guys, welcome to David's Drawings. I'm David, and today I'm going to be making my own bookmarks because bookmarks are kind of fun to make just so you can have your own bookmark and you don't have to buy one. Usually you just use like a little piece of paper or something, little scrap piece, but I think it's kind of fun to make your own and decorate them how you want. So I'm going to cut this in half and then just decorate them, so I hope you like this video. Okay, so I start by just, I cut it in half with like a razor thing, and I just get it in half, and then I put the razor away, and I start drawing my first outline. I was doing read, because I just think that has like something to do with bookmarks. So I just did a thick outline. I kind of wanted this to be like sloppy, and I was going to do like a slime effect. I wanted it because I've seen it somewhere. I can't really remember where. But I saw a cool slime effect and I really liked it. So I thought I would try it today. It just kind of popped into my mind. And I think it turned really good. So my first one was blue and pink. And on this one I'm doing green. And I just really like this slime. I think it turns out super good. And at the end, I decide to add in like some black outlines around the slime. And I think that even just adds a lot. Everything here is just like adding to the success of making art. And if you guys don't like it, that's fine because I like it. I really like that color. Those two colors together are great. Sorry, I didn't move it down until there, so you couldn't really see me drawing, but I made like some little reflection on it by just like making a little white impact or making a little like white spot in there. And so now I'm just going over everything with a black to maybe like make the lines a little easier to see, and I think this added even just a lot. Okay, so for this one, I don't like this one as much, the final version, but I just did a bunch of different fonts of read, and I basically just like read. So when I look at it, I just think to read, and it's kind of a good idea. I don't know if I did the best on it. It looks kind of sloppy, I feel like, but it's kind of cool. So what I did for the coloring, I did three like reads for each color. So for each color I would color in 3 reads. And now I'm doing green. And I pretty much just did these like, I don't really know, I just kind of did them. And this I think turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, so I'm really excited. These I think turned out really good. So this one right here first is just the one I basically just did read. So I keep reading when I look at it. It's just kind of like a bunch of different styles and different lettering and basically just a bunch of different fonts. And then this one I really like. I did like the slime. I don't remember where I saw that for the first time, but I really like this effect. I think it looks really cool, so I decided to try it, and I think I did pretty good. Not like the best, but I think I did really good on this one, and I really like it. Thanks for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.